Yo, it's that time of the week where I go visit my mama, and today she's gonna be making me some enchiladas, so come along for the ride. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's so cold. I'm so excited. Like I said, today we are gonna go visit my mom. I was gonna do something a little bit different for this video because I know I've shown you guys how to make enchiladas, and then we did tostadas one day. We also did tortas. I've been really craving enchiladas from my mom. Let's go. All right, so my mom just called me and now I gotta run some errands. We gotta go to Home Depot, pick up a toilet seat because their toilet seat completely broke off. So I'm gonna go fix that. And then she doesn't have all the ingredients for the enchiladas, so we're gonna go to the Mexican store, and this will kind of be cool because then I'll be able to tell you guys what you need to buy in order to make these enchiladas. All right guys, we are not rocking the Nano today, so I'm trying to keep this motion blur going. So that means I'm gonna have to be bold and film some B-roll in here.
For your help.
There it is. Toilet seats. I think they have a round one, so we're gonna go with this one. This one's not bad. $8, man, they're cheap. All right, now we need a plunger. There they are. $8, not too bad. Grab one of these. Yo, we gotta get out of here quick because every time I come here, it's one of those things where I always end up leaving with more than what I came for. It's kind of like Target, but for dudes. Credit card.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
All right, there we go. It's bright out here. We did it. We came out of Home Depot and we didn't have to buy a lot of different things. I just came on a mission, went in, went out. I love Home Depot. Oh my gosh. Whew. It's cold. Thank the Lord for a little bit of sun today. You know, it wasn't so bad actually going in there with the Action 6. Just got it made me be a little bit more intentional with the shots that I'm gonna get. So I just clicked it on, clicked it off, popped the ND off. I noticed the ND was a little too strong. We are on ND 8, but I noticed it was a little too strong in the store, so I took it off, and then it looked good. I think I'll be able to salvage some of the darker shots when I first went in there with the ND. It wasn't too much off. All right, let's check out the grocery list before we go in here. We need corn tortillas, 2 queso frescos, a bag of chile guajillo, 6 tomatillos, sour cream. And then of course we can't forget the beer.
Mira, qué sorpresas da la vida. No esperaba encontrarte caminando de la mano con él.
I'm not gonna lie, I wish my mama was here. Hope I did a good job picking these out. But all right, we need to pick up some chile guajillo, and I think it's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Chile guajillo. All right, now we gotta get the sour cream and the cheese. It should be in the refrigerated area. They got Bad Bunny playing in here. I think this is what we got last time. Tapatio, queso fresco. I think one of these should do. Now it's time to get the good stuff. Oh yeah. Pacifico for the win. Yo, we made it. Got all the ingredients. Time to go to my mama's. You know you're Mexican if you have this kind of dog right here. I don't know what kind of breed this is. I call it the Mexican lady dog. Send this to somebody that has this kind of dog. You know you're Mexican. All right, guys. While my mom is cooking the enchiladas, we are gonna crack one open because you can't have Mexican food without a beer. If you're 21 and older, have a beer with your Mexican food is the best. And my favorite Mexican beer is Pacifico. That's the best. Don't give me that Modelo, Corona, whatever. My mom almost caught the house on fire, dude. Look at that. So there you go. She just dipped the tortilla in there. Now put it in the pan. It's fried. She took it out nice and hot. Let me see. Enseñales. You put some cheese in it, onions, queso fresco, and then some of the Mexican cheese. This is just a Mexican blend cheese. Then you roll it up. Boom. You roll it up. You put it on the plate. And then you put some more queso fresco on top of it. All right, guys, check this out. Ooh, enchiladas. You know you're hungry. If you guys don't know what enchiladas are, they're basically rolled up tortillas dipped in some chile sauce. It can be red or hot depending on the peppers that you use. But you roll them up, you put cheese, some onions in the middle. You can get creative. Some people get creative, but the original ones are just cheese. Some people put like ground beef and chicken and stuff like that. That's more like white Mexican. But real Mexican stuff, this is how they look like. Deep fried. You got lettuce on the top. You can't forget the beans and rice. You always got to have Mexican rice and pinto beans on there. To top it off, guys, we're going to put some sour cream. You can't forget the sour cream. I've mentioned this before in my vlogs, but for those that haven't seen it, I love sour cream. So I put a ton of it there. I put like a nice little couple globs in there. It just balances out the spiciness from the chile and the enchiladas and all that stuff. Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Vaya, qué sorpresa.